It's your girl, Rare Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell everybody to just join the team, because we lady over here. And without further ado, y'all, let me see what I got. A few packages, nothing major. So let's see. Of course, I always send on with every nook and cranny covered by my address. Oh wow. Even the small ones like that. No, literally all of them are like that. This is ridiculous. So I'm just going to do all of these. I can get it open. Darn it. Okay, we got one that don't have an address. Okay, this one has the address. Hold on, y'all. I don't know. Y'all, a mess. This is just a mess. Okay. So let's see what's in here. Oh, this is for my poo-poo. Y'all know I've been dog sitting, so I got my poo-poo cute little pink harness to match all her other pink stuff. I think this might fit her just perfectly. And it looks adjustable, so yeah boy. And this is a size medium. I thought this is so cute. Definitely had to get it for Stink. And then y'all know I love Halloween stuff. So I just seen these two. I had to get them. These are purse straps, the guitar kind, the guitar strap ones, and this is the Chromie one. So cute. And the Nightmare Before Christmas. So cute. So those are cute little purse straps I could accessorize my purses with. Y'all, I got this from Temu. I took it out the bag because there was some other stuff in the bag I needed to get to. So I was like, I need everything else, and I'll just put this to the side. So this is their version of the dupe of the Balenciaga hourglass bag. It's pretty cute, and I want to say it was only a couple of bucks from Temu. No, I do not condone, the Balenciaga whole situation. I just like the style of the bag and how it looks like this plasticky type of YSL situation, like their puffer bags. So I just thought this was cute. Very, very roomy. It has this gunmetal gray color for the strap. And yeah, very spacious. Very. So that's that one. Let me see. Hourglass bag, Temu. The Expressway for the dog harness and the purse straps. And oh, here we go. Let's see. Oh, that just ripped the bag. And this is also from the Expressway, even though the Y is off. I still thought it was cute because I'm like, oh, I want a silver bag. And I'm like, this is cute. And it was only 21 bucks. If you don't mind this Y being off-putting and very telling, if you're like really on it and paying attention. But if you don't mind it, y'all, this is not bad for 21 bucks. They had different colors, but I was just like, oh, I want a silver bag. It has this type of bronzy gold type hardware. It's supposed to be a YSL dupe. It has the zipper inside. It comes with a purse strap. You know, it's pretty structured. I know I probably have to just get the stuffing out of there, but yes, it comes with a longer strap that you can use if you don't want to just use this purse strap right here. So yeah, this is so cute. So cute. And I love how it has this puffer material. That's why I ain't mind about this part. Because you can put some purse charms on there, cover it up, or if you just don't mind, just wear it. Because I'm just going to wear it. I don't mind. So yes, that's from the Expressway. Last, we have this matching set from the Expressway. It's supposed to be like their version of a Kurt Geiger dupe. I just thought it was so cute, even though it's a miniature purse. It's like their mini size, but I'm just like, I like it. And the way it has this gradient effect with the colors, how it like goes from dark to light. And it has the gold eagle head with the different colored gems in it. It has the gold hardware chain. The magnetic closure like the Kurt Geiger purses have. It has the two-sided right here spaces where you could put something on each side. It doesn't have any zipper pockets or anything like that, but that's cool. So I thought this was just so cute. And then y'all, I came across the hat and was like, oh no. Y'all know I love me a good old match set, and then especially a good old bucket hat. And even the bucket hat has the little eagle emblem that matches the purse. So yeah, y'all, I just seen this and was like, oh my gosh, so cute. And it has like that denim feel, like the little fringe right here definitely feel like just denim. Oh, so cute, y'all. This is cute. Y'all can't tell me this ain't a statement piece. And y'all know I be wearing stuff different. Look, it even match my nails. Come on now. Come on now. Y'all can't tell me this ain't cute. So yeah, y'all, this is my little minor haul that I wanted to show y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.